Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a demo account on MetaTrader 5. To create a demo account on MetaTrader 5, first of all, launch open the Google Play Store or your App Store and download the MetaTrader 5 application on a device and launch it open. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to this welcome screen. Click on Accept. And then, from the pop-up on the next page, click on Open a Demo Account. If you want to practice first on a demo account before going live, you can tap on Open a Demo Account button, and on the next page, enter your first name, last name, and all the credentials needed in this page. You'll need to enter information such as your name, your date of birth, etc. And once done, you can also enter your phone number. After typing it down, enter your email address on the next field, and then select if you'd like to use hedge. Select your account type, leverage and deposits, limits, and then finally click on this accept button and click register. Soon after you do that, your account has been opened. Go ahead and copy the login information by tapping on copy to clipboard and paste it somewhere safe. I'm just gonna paste it in my device's note. Now once you have pasted in the credentials in a secure place, get back to your MetaTrader 5 app and click start. Soon after you do that, you will land in the Codes tab of MetaTrader 5. This is your demo account. You can practice here first before going live in MetaTrader 5. You can explore the technical indicators, chart patterns, and risk managements without losing the real money if you choose to open up this demo account. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.